First, I will open Microsoft Word and click on blank document to start. I type my full name, King Ian Heneta. I select the text, then I click bold, Ctrl plus P, and underline, Ctrl plus U. Then I enter it using Ctrl plus E. Next, I increase the font size to 20 by clicking the font size box and selecting 20. I press enter twice and begin typing my short self-introduction. Hi, my name is King Ian Heneta. Bookman, old style 14 bold left align, Ctrl plus L. I am 21 years old and I living in Talugtog, Pusurugyo, Pangasinan. Times New Roman size 12, italic, centered, Ctrl plus E. I really enjoy playing basketball during my free time. Calibre size 13 underline right align, Ctrl plus R. I also love riding my motorbike whenever I need to relax or go on an adventure. Georgia, size 12, regular, justify, Ctrl plus J. Basketball and motor riding are my favorite hobbies. Comic Sans, MS bold size, 18 left align, Ctrl plus L. List of skill or hobbies. I press enter and add a title, my hobbies, and make it bold. Then I click on the battles icon and list my hobbies. Playing basketball, riding motorbikes, watching action movies, listening to music. I click on Insert at the top, then click Pictures and choose this device to insert my photo. After adding the image, I click on it, then choose Inline with Text from the Layout option. I click on the Microsoft Word logo at the top left, then click File and rename the file to GE Elect Activity 1 and save it.